Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss new concept maximum and minimum. This is the most important topic and in this you have 7 mark question. ఈ వీడియోని స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. So without delay coming to topic. So first, if any function is given, how to find either maximum or minimum of the function. Here we have few steps for finding the maximum and minimum of the function. The first step, let the given function be f of x. So this is the first step. And the second step, to find the first derivative of the given function. To find f dash of x. And the third step, consider the first derivative is 0. Means f dash of x equals to 0. For minimum or maximum, we can write the first derivative of the function is 0. So at this we will get some values of x and we get x values, some a and b. And the fourth step, to find the second derivative of the function, to find f double dash of x. After that, we can substitute the x values in the second derivative. That is to find f double dash of a and f double dash of b. Here, if f double dash of a is greater than 0, then we can say that f of x, the given function, has minimum at some point x equal to a. And second one, if f double dash of b is less than 0, then the given function has maximum at x is equals to b. So these are the 5 steps for finding the maximum or minimum of the given function. So based on this we have few problems. We will discuss about the problems. See the first question. This is very important question. See the solution. If the curved surface of right circular cylinder, so clearly this is the cylinder which is inscribed in a sphere of radius is small r. So radius of the sphere, they given small r. So this is the radius of the sphere, small r. Is maximum, show that height of the cylinder is root 2r. See here, to prove height of the cylinder, which is what, root 2r. So let us consider height of the cylinder is h. So this is what, some O, and let us consider AB is radius of the cylinder. So here, let us consider capital RB radius and HB height of the cylinder. So this is a capital R. Now clearly the triangle OAB is what, right angle triangle. Now from triangle OAB, you know that right angle triangle property. Opposite square plus adjacent square is equal to hypotenuse square. Clearly hypotenuse, what is hypotenuse? OB square. OB square which is equals to side square plus side square, that is OA square plus AB square. OA square plus AB square. So what is OB? OB is small r, r square. And what is OA? See, our total height is h. Here this is what, half of the total, it is h by 2. Which means h by 2 whole square plus AB square. What is AB? Capital R, r square. So from this, what is capital R square value? Capital R square is equals to small r square minus h square by 4. So here we know that the curved surface area of right circular cylinder S is equals to 2 pi r h. Okay. Now here we have capital R square value. So we can do squaring on both sides. That is S square is equals to 2 square 4 and pi square capital R square and h square. And substitute capital R value. Since what is capital R square value? Small r square minus h square by 4. Substitute here. So S square is equals to 4 pi square into capital R. So what is capital R? R square minus h square by 4 into h square. So clearly this total function in terms of what? H. So let it be f of h. So f of h which is equals to 4 pi r square into h square, 4 pi square r square h square minus 4 pi square h square by 4 into h square. 4 pi square h square by 4 into h square. 4 it cancel. Therefore, what is f of h? 4 pi square r square h square minus pi square h power 4. Clearly, after that you can find the first derivative. So means f dash of h. What is f dash of h? See here 4 pi square r square is constant, right, as it is. 4 pi square r square into d by dh of h square minus pi square into d by dh of h power 4. So clearly which is f dash of h is equals to 4 pi square r square derivative of h square n into h power n minus 1. That is 2 into h power 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus pi square derivative of h power 4. 4 into h power 4 minus 1 is 3. Now consider f dash of h which is equals to 0. So what is f dash of h? 4 into 2. 8 pi square r square h minus 4 pi square h cube is equals to 0. From this 8 pi square r square h is equals to 4 pi square h cube. So here pi square get cancelled, 4 ones, 4 twos, one of the h get cancelled. So what will you get? 2r square which is equals to what? H square. From this what is h value? H is equals to what? Root 2r. So after that you can find the second derivative f double dash of h. Since what is f dash of h? F dash of h is 4 into 2. 8 pi square r square h minus 4 pi square h cube. This is the f dash of h. To find the second derivative, that is f double dash of h which is equals to 8 pi square r square into derivative of h 1 minus 4 pi square into derivative of h cube 3 h power 3 minus 1, that is 2. So therefore f double dash of h which is equals to 8 pi square r square minus 4 into 3 12 pi square h square. Now we can find h value. What is h? Root 2r. Substitute here f double dash of root 2r which is equals to 8 pi square r square minus 12 pi square. What is h square value? 2r square. So therefore 8 pi square r square minus 12 into 2, 24 pi square r square. 8 minus 24 minus 16 pi square r square. So clearly which is what? Negative. So clearly f double dash of h is negative, which means f of x is maximum at h. What is h? Root 2r. So clearly Less than 0 means which is maximum. So therefore the height of the right circular cylinder is what? Root 2r. So next question number 2. From a rectangular sheet of dimensions 30 centimeters and 80 centimeters. So 80 is the length and 30 is the breadth. 4 equal squares of side x centimeters are removed at the corners. సో ఈ కార్నర్స్ లో స్క్వేర్ ఫామ్ వచ్చేటట్టు రిమూవ్ చేయాలి 4 కార్నర్స్. సో క్లియర్లీ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ whose side is what? X centimeters. Clearly this is x and this is x, x, x. Same, this is also. So here 4 corners are removed. So clearly, so it forms like this. Clearly 4 corners are removed in the form of a squares. Next, and the sides are turned up. So clearly sides are turned up చేస్తే మనకి open rectangular box form అవుతుంది. Okay. So as to form a open rectangular box. So clearly that box having length, breadth and height. Height ఎలా వస్తుంది? ఈ సైడ్స్ టర్న్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి height వస్తుంది. ఆ height ఏమైతుంది? x. Okay. So you can find length, breadth and height of the open rectangular box. So clearly now what is the length of the open rectangular box? Clearly this side x, this side x, total 2x removed from the total, that is L is equals to 80 minus 2x. Similarly breadth, this side and this side, x removed, 2x is removed from the original breadth, that is b is equal to 30 minus 2x. And these sides are turns up. Clearly what is the height? X. H is equals to x. Okay. So clearly let L comma B and H be the length comma breadth and height of open rectangular box. So this is the length and this is breadth and this is height. We know that volume of the open rectangular box. We know that volume, that is V is equals to what? Length into breadth into height. Okay. Now here to find the value of x so that volume of the box is greatest. So that's why we can consider volume of the open rectangular box. Now V is equal to what is L? 80 minus 2x. And what is B? 30 minus 2x. And what is H? X. So multiplying. So V is equals to 80 into 30. That is 2400. Next 80 into minus 2x. Minus 160x. Next 2x into 30. Minus 60x. Minus 2x into minus 2x. That is plus 4x square into what? X. Therefore V is equal to, again multiplying x or simplifying first this one, 2400 minus 160 minus 60 minus 220x plus 4x square into what? X. So multiplying x inside of the bracket. So clearly this function is in terms of x. Let it be f of x. F of x is equal to 4x square into x. 4x cube, right reverse. Minus 220x into x. That is minus 220x square. 2400 into x plus 2400x. So this is the our function f of x. For minimum or maximum, f dash of x equals to 0. So to find first f dash of x, clearly what is f dash of x? 4 into derivative of x cube, 3 into x power 3 minus 1, that is 2, minus 220 into derivative of x square, that is 2x, plus 2400 into derivative of x, 1. So this is f dash of x. Now f dash of x is equals to 4 into 3 to bel x square minus 220 into 2 minus 440x plus 2400. So consider first derivative of the function is 0. What is f dash of x? 2x square minus 440x plus 2400 is equals to 0. So we can take 4 is common. 4 3s, 4 1s, 4 1s, 0. Next 4 6, 0, 0. So that is 3x square minus 110x plus 600 equals to 0. So clearly to find the factors. So what are the factors? 3x square minus 90x minus 20x plus 600 equals to 0. From the first two terms, so 3x is common. You will get x minus 330s. Minus 20 is common. You will get x minus 30. So clearly x minus 30, x minus 30 is common. X minus 30 into 3x minus 20 equals to 0. So what are the x values? One is x is equal to 30. Another one from this x is equals to what? 20 by 3. But x is equal to 30. So what will you get? If x is 30, 30 minus 60. Breadth is negative. So 30 is not possible. So therefore the value of x is what? 20 by 3. Next, to find the second derivative of the function. So what is the f dash of x? So this is the f dash of x. To find the second derivative, f double dash of x, which is equals to 12 into derivative of x square, 2 into x power 2 minus 1, that is 2x, minus 440 into derivative of x, 1. This is constant, derivative of constant is 0. Clearly, what is f double dash of x now? 24x minus 440. What is x value? 20 by 3. F double dash of 20 by 3, which is equals to 24 into 20 by 3 minus 440. 3 ones, 3 eights. 8 into 20, which is equal to 160 minus 440, which is minus 280, which is what? Negative. Clearly second derivative at x is equal to 20 by 3 is negative. So you can say that f of x is maximum at x is equals to 20 by 3. Clearly volume of the box is what? Greatest. Greatest means maximum. When it is maximum, second derivative of the function at x is negative. So clearly x is 20 by 3. ఈ వీడియో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కామెంట్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఒకవేళ ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.